Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change music length on a Facebook story. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, in here, for example, I'm going to go ahead and create a story. And just a quick heads up, there is no way, okay? Again, there's no way you can use or make use of a slider that you can just go ahead and cut a specific portion of a music or make it longer. Okay, for example, you have a minute video, okay, 1 minute video. The music that you selected will end exactly at 1 minute as well. All right. If you have a 30-second video, the span of the music will be 30 seconds long as well. Okay. If you upload a photo for your story, well, it will only be 10 to 15 seconds. Okay. For example, I'm going to be uploading this video. All right. 24 seconds. And notice here when I add an audio, add music, maybe this one. All right. Then tap on the music once more. Edit. As you can see, you can only move it and find the spot where you like, for example, in this area. But you cannot, pinch it for you to be able to make the music longer. Okay. Just make sure if you want the music to be longer, upload a video that is longer. Okay. Now, for example, I'm going to be using a different video just for you to see. I'm going to go ahead and look for a minute long video. All right, this one. I'm going to tap on it. And then I'm going to add in an audio, add music. Maybe I'm going to be selecting this one. All right. Hit on edit. Edit. All right. As you can see here, the bar right here plays slower because the music is actually longer. But that's basically it. All right. Again, on photos, you won't be able to adjust the music length. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.